Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer insurance receipts into Zoho Books. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Zoho Books and log into your account. Navigate to the Purchases tab on the left sidebar. Select Receipts from the drop-down menu. Click on the plus new button to add a new receipt. Choose the option for Upload Receipt from the available prompts. Select the insurance receipt file from your device that you want to transfer. Once the file is uploaded, the receipt will be processed. Verify the details that have been automatically extracted from the receipt. If any information is missing or incorrect, manually edit the fields as needed. Make sure to fill in the vendor field with the appropriate insurance provider. Add the expense account that corresponds to the transaction type. Set the correct date for the receipt to reflect the transaction date. Enter the total amount from the receipt in the designated field. Upload additional documentation if you have it by clicking Attach and selecting Files. Once all information is verified, click on the Save button. Your insurance receipt is now successfully transferred into Zoho Books. Repeat this process for any additional receipts you want to add. You can always access your receipts later from the receipts list in Zoho Books. Remember to regularly check for any new receipts to keep your records updated. This will help in maintaining accurate financial records for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.